Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into an essential topic for anyone looking to enhance the entrance of their home, choosing the best wood for your main door. Whether you're building a new house or updating your current entryway, selecting the right material is crucial not only for aesthetics, but also for durability and security. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content on home improvement and design. The importance of choosing the right wood for your main door. The main door of your home is not just a functional piece, it's a statement of your personal style and a critical part of your home's security. It's the first thing guests see, and it protects your home from the elements and potential intruders. Choosing the right wood or material can enhance your home's curb appeal, ensure longevity, and provide safety. Factors to consider. When choosing wood for your main door durability, the main door is exposed to various weather conditions. You'll want a wood that can withstand moisture, extreme temperatures, and physical wear. Aesthetic appeal. The color, grain pattern, and finish of the wood contribute to the overall look of your home. Consider how the door complements your home's exterior design. Cost. Different types of wood vary significantly in price. Balancing quality and budget is essential. Maintenance. Some woods require more maintenance than others. Understanding the upkeep involved can help you make a more informed decision. Insulation. A good main door should provide insulation against sound and temperature. Solid wood doors typically offer better insulation than hollow core doors. Types of woods for main doors. 1. Teak durability. One of the most durable woods, teak is resistant to moisture, insects, and decay due to its high oil content. Aesthetic appeal. Teak has a rich golden color that deepens over time, providing a timeless elegance. Cost. It is among the more expensive woods, but its longevity can justify the investment. Maintenance requires regular oiling to maintain its appearance and prevent graying. Best for high-end homes looking for a sophisticated, classic look. 2. Mahogany. Durability. Mahogany is very stable, resistant to warping, and can handle varying temperatures well. Aesthetic appeal. Known for its deep reddish-brown color, it provides a luxurious look. Cost. It is moderately priced, falling between oak and teak. Maintenance. Low maintenance, but periodic polishing is recommended to keep its sheen. Best for elegant homes that value classic style and durability. 3. Oak. Durability. Oak is tough and can withstand heavy use. However, it can be susceptible to moisture if not properly sealed. Aesthetic appeal. Offers a distinctive grain and is available in both red and white varieties. Cost. Generally more affordable than teak and mahogany. Maintenance. Requires regular sealing to prevent moisture damage. Best for traditional style homes needing a durable option. 4. Maple. Durability. While hard, maple is not as resistant to moisture as some other woods, making it less ideal for exterior doors without proper treatment. Aesthetic appeal. Light in color with a fine, uniform grain, it can suit modern or minimalist designs. Cost. Typically less expensive than oak and mahogany. Maintenance. Easy to maintain but may require periodic refinishing. Best for contemporary homes seeking a sleek appearance. 5. Pine. Durability. While softer than hardwoods, pine can be treated for additional strength and moisture resistance. Aesthetic appeal. Offers a rustic, natural look with distinct knots and patterns. Cost. One of the more affordable options. Maintenance. Requires regular maintenance to prevent wear and damage from elements. Best for budget-friendly projects or rustic-style homes. Alternative materials for main doors. In addition to traditional wood, several alternative materials can be considered. 1. WPC, wood plastic composite. Durability. Highly resistant to moisture, insects, and decay, making it suitable for various climates. Aesthetic appeal. Can mimic the look of wood, available in various colors and finishes. Cost. Typically cheaper than solid wood options. Maintenance. Low maintenance. Does not require painting or staining. Best for eco-friendly designs or modern homes that prioritize durability. 2. Fiberglass durability. Extremely resistant to weather, warping, and dents. Can withstand extreme conditions. Aesthetic appeal. Available in various styles and finishes, some even mimicking wood grain. Cost. More expensive than some wood options, but offers better longevity. Maintenance. Minimal maintenance is needed, just clean with soap and water. Best for homes in harsh climates or those seeking a low-maintenance solution. 3. Steel, durability, very strong and secure, resistant to extreme weather and impacts. Aesthetic appeal, can be painted or finished to resemble wood, comes in various designs. Cost, generally affordable depending on the design and finish. Maintenance, requires some maintenance to prevent rust, especially in humid areas. Best for security-focused homes needing robust protection. Best wood or material for main doors. After considering the factors above, teak and mahogany stand out as the best traditional options for main doors due to their durability, aesthetic appeal, and low maintenance requirements. For those looking for modern alternatives, fiberglass and WPC are excellent choices, offering long-lasting performance with minimal upkeep. Design ideas for main doors. When it comes to designing your main door, there are several styles to consider, each offering a unique look. 1. Traditional panel doors. Features raised or flat panels. Classic look that complements older homes. Can be made from solid wood or wood composites. 2. Modern flush doors. Smooth, flat surface with minimal ornamentation. Suitable for contemporary homes, can be made of fiberglass or steel. Easy to maintain and versatile in color. 3. Double doors. Perfect for grand entrances, providing a sense of elegance. Can be traditional or modern in design. Works well in larger homes or entryways. 4. Arched top doors. Adds character and sophistication. Can be made of solid wood or fiberglass. Works well in Mediterranean or Victorian-style homes. 5. Glass inserts. Allows natural light into the entryway while maintaining privacy. Available in various designs from frosted to etched glass. Enhances the aesthetic appeal of the door. In conclusion, choosing the right wood or material for your main door is a significant decision that impacts your home's look, durability, and security. Whether you opt for the elegance of teak or the modern appeal of fiberglass, make sure to consider your home's style, your budget, and the level of maintenance you're willing to commit to. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this information valuable, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips on home improvement and design. Let's create beautiful homes together.